Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 13th question in exercise 10.2. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. So first let's draw a diagram, then it will be easy for us to prove. So first I'm going to draw a circle. A quadrilateral is circumscribing this particular circle. So let's draw a quadrilateral around that. Let's mark the corners right now. So this is going to be A, B, C, D, the quadrilateral, which is going to have the circumscribing a center circle with center O. So I'm going to mark the points of tangents as P, Q, R, and S. Okay, now let's list out what is given and then we will draw the necessary constructions. So given ABCD is a quadrilateral. Next, we need to prove that angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees and angle BOC plus angle AOD is also equal to 180 degrees. So first let's join these particular points. So OB, OC, OD, OA, I'm just marking all of them and I'm joining them. Then I'm also going to join by construction OP, OQ, OR, etc. So I'm going to drop dotted lines just to show and that's marking them. So OP, OQ, OR and OS. These are part of the construction. So let's list the construction here. Join OP, OQ, OR and OS. Now that we have set everything, let's start with the proof. So in triangle AOP and the triangle AOS, that is between these two triangles, I'm just indicating with a line. So these two triangles, we're going to show the congruency. So we know that AP is equal to AS because tangent from external point are equal. We have a OS that is common to each other. So OS is there. And we also know that angle OSA will be equal to angle OPA, which will be equal to 90 degrees. Why? Tangent from an external point will be perpendicular to the point of radius. So this tells you that triangle AOP is actually similar to congruent to triangle AOS, and this takes care of the first property. Angle AOP is actually equal to angle AOS. So this particular angle is equal to this particular angle. So that is what we have proved. Similarly, every time we don't need to prove. So similarly, we are going to write out for other pairs. So let's list it. Similarly, angle POB will be actually equal to angle BOQ. I'm marking each of these statements with equation number for future reference. Angle COQ will be equal to angle COR. And finally, angle DOR will be actually equal to angle DOS. Okay, now that we have marked all of these, let's now combine and add these angles. So let's see what we're going to get out there. Angle AOP plus angle POD plus angle BOQ plus angle COQ plus angle COR plus angle ROD or DOR plus angle DOS plus angle AOS will be equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because I'm adding this angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All these angles you add up, it is around a point. So some of these angles are actually equal to 360 degrees. But now that we already know this particular property, angle AOP is going to be equal to angle AOS. So I'm replacing this AOP and AOS as 2 times of AOP plus similarly 2 times of POP plus 2 times of ROC plus 2 times of DOR is going to be equal to 360 degrees. So if I divide the whole expression by 2, actually we will be getting angle AOP plus angle POB plus angle ROC plus angle ROD will be equal to 180 degrees. So now AOP plus POB, I can replace this as AOB plus these two angles, I can replace this as angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. So in this case, I can refer it. Similarly, in the next case, instead of realigning it like this, I'm going to combine angle 2 times of AOB. Instead of that, we will recombine it in another way. So in the same property up till this, there will be no change in the statement. So instead of trying to recombine and explain, we can also close out and say similarly, we can prove that angle AOD plus angle BOC is going to be equal to 180 degrees, hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve questions from the lesson areas related to the circle. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.